Chillin like a villain in the boat.
I'm not gonna show.
Oh god, the boat's rocking. The cousins and the friends be rocking the ship. Duh, duh, duh. What? I'm trying to have fun here, okay? It took me forever to get up here. I am such a careful person. And I stutter. We are currently in a giant garage.
Yep.
Is that a far quad? Or quad?
Far quad?
Yes, I actually said far quad. Yes, far quad. Yes. You let me put your face on camera? I think I caught his face. I got his face.
Please, okay, I won't upload it on YouTube.
I got his face. It's okay. Can I open this? How do I open this?
Oh my god.
Oh.
We're not gonna open it though because it's kind of frustrating. Carried last Saturday and did not.
What a lovely tip of the boat.
Oh, come here.
Imagine if we went on to like see what this thing. This would be awesome.
That was so fun though. He was lined up.
I'm sorry. Chill like a villain in the boat. I'm posting on that on YouTube, you know.
I know.
My mom's gonna kill me.
Delete it.
It's okay. I'll censor it,
Or you can delete it.
or I'll censor it.
Or you can delete it.
Okay, I'll